the grand assembly of the wild.
Summoned by whisper, leaf and flame, the denizens of the world proclaim. With regal grace and voices free, they hold their court beneath the tree. Hear the violet's timeless decree, a chorus of earth, a sky, a sea.
I am the elephant, colossal and wise, with aged steps and watchful eyes. I walk like echoes of time's old songs, where memories sleep and roots grow strong.
From Vishwamitri's patient stream, I guard the city's ancient dream. A sentinel born of tooth and scale, I keep Vadodara's secret tale. Hear the violet's timeless decree, a chorus of earth, a sky, a sea.
Whoop, whoop, whoop! I tumble through waters lit and sleek, where laughter ripples river creek. In pebble games and tides I play, a craftsman's joy by night and day. With emerald plume and mimic tongue, I borrow voices sharp and young. The forest laughs through every word, for truth rings loud when I'm heard.
Hear the violet's timeless decree, a chorus of earth, a sky, a sea.
I blend with stone, with bark, with sand, an unseen sage of sunlit land. Stillness speaks where words may fail. I read the earth like an ancient tale. In Gaze proud woods I stride alone, a sovereign carved from claw and throne. I roar for balance, fierce yet fair, a ruler born of flame and air.
Hear the violet's timeless decree, a chorus of earth, a sky, a sea.
I haunt the twilight, masked and fleet, a scavenger king of every street. Where humans discard, I find my gold, a rogue with stories, bold and bold.
Hear the violet's timeless decree, a chorus of earth, a sky, a sea.
I weave through the shadows, silent and slight.
A ribbon of dust, a whisper of night.
My venom is wisdom, swift and keen, a glitter of fear, a power unseen.
Hear the violet's timeless decree, a chorus of earth, a sky, of sea.
Glide like moonlight across the way, a drifting poem, pale as day, yet ruffle my calm, and I shall show the sharp-eyed storm beneath my glow. I entered the forest with wondering eyes. I heard its whispers, its soft replies. In every paw, in every wing, I found a truth no books can bring.
Mark the woods with reverent care, for life's first song is written there. Its laughter long